If you want to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then we want to go to wallpaper and style. In here we can tap on change wallpapers, and then you can simply choose whichever wallpaper you want to use on your phone. We have a couple of different examples that you can use. However, in many cases these preset wallpapers don't really allow you to make some further adjustments. So let's say I'm gonna go to the gallery, and then I'm gonna choose an example image that I want to use. There we go. Now we have the option to choose if you want to set the wallpaper for the lock screen and home screen, or just one of these screens. In my case, I'm gonna set it up for both, so let's tap on next. Now first we will see the lock screen preview. Of course, in here you should be able to zoom in and zoom out quite easily. You can also move the wallpaper around if needed. If you tap on this home button that we have at the bottom of the screen, then you should be able to switch to the home screen preview, and you can switch back to the lock screen preview as well. At the bottom we can find, for example, suggestions. We also have the frame option, so you can apply a frame to the lock screen. You can also change the color of the frame, and we also have effects where you can apply like some sort of filters, so be sure to check that out. And then once you are done with the setup of the wallpaper, you can just simply tap on done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe